Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again, and welcome to your first training in the Local Marketing Hacks. I'm super excited about sharing your page speed performance hacks with you and some of the things that we've learned over the last 8 years to help you scale your business and attract more customers online, and really 5x your customer base over the next 12 months is the key. We're looking for more high-paying retail customers, and I'm going to give you some insights into how to accomplish that. So I'm going to jump right into the training real quick. I've broken this training up into micro trainings, less than 10 minutes each one of these videos. There's going to be multiple videos to do, but what I want to do is I want to get you started first and foremost with some of the content that we have so that you can engage in that. And the first thing that I'm going to talk with you about is the actual worksheet, our page speed and performance worksheet to dominate your market. Let me talk with you a little bit about the importance of page speed and performance and the way that search engines utilize this information in order to determine whether or not they're going to rank you or not. Now, there's a whole lot of things at work here, but I want to kind of segment each item and give it to you in small bite-sized pieces. So first and foremost, you need to be conscious about your page speed and the way that it performs for two reasons. First and foremost, if you have slow page speeds, people are going to bounce off of your page when they land there. They're going to click on your ads if you're spending money on paid advertising, or if you have organic search out there and they click on some of those links, they come to your web page and the page doesn't load rapidly, people are going to bounce off that. And what Google does is they take a look at that. They're actually serving your content to people, and if people don't engage and they actually bounce off, they penalize you in regards to search placement, and then also in regards to paid advertising. So it works on both sides of the house. Whether you're invested in paid advertisement or SEO, you'll want to make sure that your website performs. I created this nice little worksheet for you, and what I'd encourage you to do is go ahead and open that up, just download it to your desktop, and then once you get it downloaded, you can go through the worksheet and kind of put together some information. First and foremost, would love for you to watch all the videos that we have in regards to page speed, security, and performance. So that's one of the things that we would like for you to do. I want you to fill out the worksheet. This can be an important part of the process. Once we provide you some links here to the Google Page Speed Insights and some examples in regards to what you can do there. But once you get that worksheet opened up on your desktop, you can go to the Page Speed Insights, run your website there. This is one of our customers in here, and as you can see, we've optimized this page for speed through the Google Developer or Page Speed Insights. We also utilize a couple of different platforms in order to kind of cross-reference this. What I don't want you to do is to get in the habit of just chasing a high score. That's not what it's really all about. What we want to do is, because everybody's got different tools and different recommendations in regards to the insights to your web pages, and we want you to take a look at how your page performs across a couple of different testing tools. One is GTmetrix, the other one is webpagetest.org, and then of course the Google Page Speed Insights. We want to take a look at the overall performance of your website across a couple of different data points, making sure that you're getting an accurate assessment of how your page is performing. And then also make sure that you don't get too tied up into, oh, my speed isn't as good as it could be. Just go through the recommendations that they provide. They give you some easy recommendations that you can provide to your web admin. That's the purpose that we created this worksheet for. If you have a web admin, you can go ahead and fill in your URL, the score that you got through the Google Page Speed Insights, and the top 3 opportunities to speed up your website. Just cut and paste some information into that spreadsheet, save the spreadsheet, and then email it off to your web admin, and they can go ahead and take care of those things and just make this part of the process. I mean, your website is part of your business. It's the how you represent yourself online, and today the majority of buying decisions start online, so you just want to make sure that you maintain that on a consistent and a regular basis. You don't want to let that go to the wayside. It's something that is going to be your calling card. It's going to be the first impression that a lot of people have in regards to your business. So just make sure that you maintain it, keep it up to date, and make sure that it's performing on a regular basis. And if you're like a lot of companies out there and you're constantly adding content to your website, whether it's funnels or blog posts or additional videos or additional images, you want to make sure that you're optimizing that website on a regular basis as well, because the more content you add, the more applications, the more programming or the more coding that you add to the site, the slower it'll get. So you want to make sure that you optimize stuff. If you continually add to it, continue to optimize it, and make sure that you're putting your best foot forward and you're always representing yourself at the highest level of professionalism out there for your PDR or automotive hail repair business. And that's the slappy in regards to that. If you need support, you want to get some insights into some of those opportunities that you're seeing, whether they're on web page test and you're looking at some of those results, or GT metrics, or the Google page speed insights, and you're kind of looking through the information, you don't really know how to discern it. What you can do is also cut and paste some of those opportunities in here. Go ahead and save that, and then come here and upload that to our support portal. A local marketing specialist, you're going to have to create a user account on here, submit your request, and just say, hey, you know what, I had some questions about this. We'll be more than happy to help you out, provide you some insight and direction on how you can resolve that. Regardless, if you're on a traditional HTML site or a traditional programming site, if you're utilizing a software like Wix or Squarespace or something like that, or you're on WordPress, we can point you in the right directions and how to resolve some of the page performance issues that come up with whatever provider you're utilizing. So that really doesn't concern us. What concerns us is that you optimize your environment, set the stage so that when you invite people to the party, they have a good experience when it comes to your business, and inevitably you put your best foot forward. So that's all we got for this initial training in regards to page speed performance. I'm going to get into security in a little bit, talk with you a little bit about the technology stack that we utilize. We're a WordPress developer, so we utilize a WordPress environment, and over the last 8 years we've developed a really nice technology stack in order to improve performance, SEO, and then also optimize the environment for security as well. Because if you've ever had a WordPress site that's been hacked, it's a pain in the butt to resolve that. So we want to make sure that you're protected, you're utilizing web firewalls, potentially CDNs, so that you're not directing people directly to your website, you're caching your website online, and mitigating any type of security requests. And I'm going to talk with you a little bit about that in some future training. So stay tuned for that. We got a lot of really great stuff to go through, and I'm going to give it to you in bite-sized pieces. So until the next training, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.